Last night we had a workshop with kids together for families and practitioners in the area in the Upper Springfield here as part of the Community Norman, and the purpose of that was to raise the profile within our area on autism. It was a great bit of training that will be used to inform some of our practice. It's great for parents to network and come together to create a bit of a collective forum for moving forward. We brought the families here today for our family day, which is targeted at SEND families. It's quite an intimate day with a lot going on for the young people, and it's great just to give space. Festivals like Failing Lady Norman give platform to such areas that are affected in our areas. So when we talk about autism, we hear a lot around raising awareness, and I think it's our collective duty to now create a more accepting and accommodating society.
Agus caiisian neamhhaígus tháinig mar gam, bhuailí ag na bhreang, chuaigh me siúgus, tas agus rubanna